Are you having trouble finding your task? Here's how to filter your tasks to find them quickly. Click on the filter icon. If you want to filter for your ticket by name, select the name you wish to search in the assignee section. You can also filter tickets by the due date. Select priority. The status. Then, collaboration. And tag. The best part of this feature is that you can mix and match various filter sections as you want. Connect, engage, experience with Axdif.